Good afternoon guys. Today I am back with another video. This is the second part of the graphene coating video, where in the first part I have shown you how to do it as a base coating or the foundation coat. In this method I will show you the second and third coat. This particular video will be a shorter video as this process is very easy, and this coat is recommended those who are going to do as a top coat. You have already got a coating and you want it as an extension coat, or you want this particular coat for more gloss or more shine and added protection to your existing protection. So let's start. First I have cleaned the car with a Jopasu car duster, so all the loose dust I have blown off, and after that I will wet the car, then I will shampoo it, and while the car is wet I will start that particular wet process. So let's start the project. So let me wet the car first. This is the advantage if you own a pressure washer. So in fact for this method a pressure washer is recommended. You can do without a pressure washer, but that will be difficult for you to apply this method. I have wet the car. Now I will shampoo it. My shampoo is ready. Now I will apply it with the help of a wash. Why I am doing it? So that no traces of dust or any debris remains in the car. That's why shampooing is recommended. The car is relatively clean, so that much of washing is not required in my case, but for other cars whose cars are a bit dirty or very dirty, a proper shampooing is recommended. I am not going for a foam wash because foam wash may not be possible for everybody if you don't have a pressure washer, but at least you can do this without the help of a pressure washer. And if you have a garden house, you can do this also. That won't be a problem for you. I am using a specialty automotive shampoo. Any car shampoo will do the job. So I am not recommending any brand in this case. I will give you the links if you are interested to buy this car shampoos. So links will be in the description box. This car remains outside this car, since I have only one garage. So this car gets dirty quite often, but still you can see it is quite clean and shiny. While shampooing, ensure that the surface is cool, otherwise what will happen, the shampoo stains will stick to your car body. So always a shaded area is recommended for this type of job. Now let us wash the car. The shampooing part is over. Ensure that all the soaps gets cleared. Now the surface is ready. Now I will 2 sprays per panel is required. If your car is of bigger size, you can give 3 sprays. And remember, it should be applied while the car is wet. So I have 2 microfiber cloths, one for wiping it off and another for buffing purpose. So let us start. So I have sprayed it. Now I will this is a very easy method, but for this you need a wet car and absolutely shaded area. Remember to use this particular method for as a top coat, not as a foundation coat. In fact, I am applying on an existing prepared surface which has been already coated with a ceramic coating. You can already see that the shine is coming back. as it gets drier. Now I am buffing off with the help of a dry microfiber cloth. You can already see the slickness and how smooth it has become, very, very smooth. Once I complete it, I will show you the hydrophobic properties also, which I didn't show in the last video. This part is complete. Like this, let me complete the entire car and then I will show you the result. So there were a lot of questions how I will do the glass. I am practically using this. I am practically using that particular cloth to wipe up the glass. So that already that cloth is coated with graphene. So I am using that same cloth in the glass, and it is giving a shine and it's also clearing it off. First I am applying this damp cloth, and finally I am wiping it with the help of this dry cloth. So the glass is also being cleaned with this particular process. Now I will show you how to use this particular wax in method 3. Method 3 will be difficult for you because it is totally a rinse off method, and for this method pressure washer is a must. Now let me show you. In this method I will first spray the wax. Now I have sprayed it with the wax and I will rinse off with the help of a pressure washer. With the help of water I am spreading the wax. This is the third step, but I won't recommend this because this is mainly for the detailers who are wanting to do this job in a hurry. My method 1 is for the most people, and method 2 for the addition of this protection. So this is the method 3 process. Now wipe it off. We will also see whether the shine is same or not. So this is the demonstration of third method. This is the easiest of the lot. Just spray and rinse up with the help of a pressure washer. So this part is also being complete. So let me finish the entire car and I will show you how it looks with both the procedures. The coating has been completed. I will show you the hydrophobicity properties of this particular wax or graphene coating. You see how fast the water is repelling from the bonnet. You see, it has got very good hydrophobic properties. Already water is gone from these areas. So the claim of hydrophobicity is also quite right. So in case it has very good water repellent properties, so it will be easier for you to wash your car in rain or if there is any water splash. So water will not stick to your body. So this is also a prime properties of this graphene coating. I have just cleaned this particular glasses with that particular cloth, damp cloth, which I am using to wipe up that particular graphene coating. So the glasses are also absolutely clean. So my job is done. I will show you now the entire car how it looks. Finally the entire job has been completed and you can see a mirror gloss shine. Not only mirror gloss shine, the entire surface has become so sleek and smooth. If you touch it by hand, you can easily understand the difference. That particular type of smoothness you can't expect in a ceramic coating, but with this particular graphene coating you get a real sleek and a smooth car body. Not only that, you get a very good shine, and this particular shine will increase as it will cover 24 hours, because after 24 hours the shine will be much better, as you have seen in my that Altroz car. So if you find this particular video useful, and if you think this particular graphene coating process is helpful to you, please do comment in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And if you are interested to buy these products, all the product links will be in the product links given in the description box, so you can buy from them. So thank you very much, and thanks for watching.